Alright guys, look at that. We finally have it finished. And boy was it messy. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. It's your boy Oscar here. Today I'm going to be 3D printing a prop from one of the most popular games around, and that is Overwatch. But I'm not going to do just any version of a prop from that game. Since it's October now, we're only a few weeks from Halloween, and I wanted to do a Halloween version. So I decided to go for a Reaper, but the pumpkin version from Overwatch. Luckily online there was a 3D file on my mini factory, so if you guys want to print this out yourself after you see the video, I will leave a link in the description below so that way you guys can print it out yourself. Alright guys, and let's not forget, if you like this video and you like the ones that I've done already, make sure to click that subscribe button. Help me make this channel grow like a little plant, little seedling. Make it grow, let it blossom.
What you talking about, Oscar?
And also, remember to smash that like button, and also leave a comment down below. Let's communicate. If you guys want to see a specific prop being made on this channel, by all means, suggest a prop. I'll see if I can make it, and if I can, I will make it in this video, and I'll give a shout out to the one who made the suggestion. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be putting a silver base coat of this. That way to get it ready for paint, that way I can dirty it up a little bit to make it more like gunmetal gray. And then we're going to go start painting. So let's get this puppy ready, because I really think this is going to be cool. Something I can put on display. guys, look at that. We finally have it finished. And boy, was it messy. And obviously I'm gonna be stuck with this for a while because this was actually shoe polish. So I'm gonna have black fingers for like a day or two. Unless I can get some paint thinner or something like that. But, you know, whatever. You know, but this thing came out awesome. You know, it's like if I was cosplaying as this character or doing a Halloween costume of this character, this would be an awesome prop. But I think I'm gonna, you know, put it on my shelf as a little display. So it's really awesome. I decided to make it a little bit different. I'm following a color scheme, you know, like scratched up gunmetal with some black, and you know, I used some basically standard, you know, craft paint because it's all I can have access to. The pretty good stuff can only be bought online, but it's also really expensive. So, you know, the best one I have is like basically this Waverly Super Premium acrylic paint. So actually pretty good. It comes on real thick, and you know, it's almost like one of those paints that are like have the primer inside it. So it actually comes out looking really nice. So, well guys, I'm glad that you were able to come by and watch this video of me making this gun. It took a little bit longer for me to finish it because it took a while for me to find the paint that I needed. But I did get it, I finished it. Took about just a day just to finish this gun. But it's awesome, I love it, and it's gonna be an awesome part, you know, of my little collection of video games and stuff. And for my next video, I don't know what I'm gonna make. I'm so pumped to see what else I can create. If you guys actually have a suggestion of what you want to see me make, maybe it's another weapon from Overwatch or a helmet, maybe something from Avengers, an Iron Man helmet, some gauntlets. I don't know, but you know, whatever you guys think I should make, you know, make a suggestion and leave it on the comments down below. And don't forget, if you guys did enjoy the video and had a little fun being with me today, you know, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, because if you smash that like button, it helps my channel grow and it makes me keep bringing you some content. So I hope that you guys can come back for the next video, because I do have another video rolling out soon. It's a helmet that one of my subscribers suggested in the comments below, and if you guys want to know what helmet that is, you gotta click that notification button. That way you know when the video is up, and that way you can watch, because it's an awesome helmet. I haven't seen anyone else make it other than in foam, so this is going to be the first 3D printed helmet version that I know of, and I hope that you guys love it. And it's like one of my most favorite helmets that I've made to date, and it's very different. I never thought I'd ever make a helmet like this one, but trust me guys, I think you're gonna like it. Look at all those things that I'm still making. I'm still making some more. So it'll probably go on that shelf, maybe with some other stuff. I have some other helmets that I'm starting to finish. I have to finish some Red Ranger helmets and everything, but you know, it's gonna be great. You know, maybe I'll make something like this and put it as a giveaway. Yeah, speaking of giveaways, don't forget guys, when I reach the 1,000 subscriber goal that I'm aiming for, the person that leaves a comment on that video will get a chance to win. But remember, you have to be a subscriber to do this. You have to be a subscriber, hit that like button, and also leave a comment down below of that video when I reach the 1,000 subscriber goal. So remember, when you do, you have a chance. If you're a girl, you have a chance to win a Diva gun and headpiece 3D printed. And if you're a guy, you get a 3D printed helmet. Of what? Maybe it's something that you guys might like. Could it be a Power Ranger? Could it be Iron Man? Who knows? But you guys, I hope you have a great time. Take care, and I hope I see you next time. Bye now, guys.